get the shots. I'm gonna laugh. Like 2 minutes. Sad moment. Look at his face now. Contemplating on what he's gonna do afterwards. Cry. And take it like a man. You will see. We will see. You're crying in the other room. It's the other baby. He just got like 40 shots. I've seen all of them. The trauma they put these kids through. The trauma. Trauma. As we wait on the doctor to come in here. 40 shots to the leg. It's gonna be 40. They're gonna see all 40. It's gonna be like 40.
JB. Hey. Uh-oh.
Okay. Who was complaining here?
Huh?
That's why I got the super big needle. I'm kidding. It's just the tiniest thing. He's gonna cry anyway. He's gonna cry. You're gonna start cursing.
Unless he's tough.
You get 1 shot, okay. You get 4 shots, believe me, you'll be crying like a baby.
In the same spot?
No.
No, because.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
He'll be pretty upset.
He's gonna get upset. He's gonna start using baby purses,
Take
you
it
know?
off.
Yeah. So go home, help him out, okay? Massage him. Initially, he's gonna start crying like a baby he is. But you know, after like a minute worth of massaging, it'll get better. Okay. All right. Your father said you're a big man now, okay? You can do this. All right. So.
Okay.
All right, Mom. You gonna help me out, hon?
Oh, God.
No, hold on. I don't want to do this yet. All right, come. You're gonna go in here, okay? I'm gonna do 1, 2, and then after we're done, because I'm gonna wipe this first, try and save like the extra like 3-4 seconds worth of wiping. If you keep this side clean, I don't have to wipe it again, okay?
Okay.
So it's like if you go like this, then I would have to wait that extra 3-4 seconds, because it's gonna hurt you right here, okay? Not me, okay? He's gonna start screaming whether he's gonna hurt or not, okay? Because after the first one, everything's just gonna cry.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, and then you're gonna. From here, you're going to put your hand here, so I can just do it right away. Okay, hon? Okay. All right. Daddy needs evidence that the nurse hurt you.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, you're going to hold his knee. Hold his knee, because he's going to jerk, okay? Ready?
No.
Here we go, people. I know, Papa. I know. Not nice. Not nice. Bear with me for another 20 seconds, people. Okay, Papa. I know. Not nice. Not nice. Not nice. All right, Ma. Over, honey. Over. Okay, here we go. I know. He's very mean today. Okay. I know, Papa. I know, honey. I know. Hold him, honey. Hold him. I know.
It's all good. Don't worry. It's
You're
all
a big man now,
It's
see?
Look at that. 2 seconds of crying.
That's right.
He didn't even cry. Look at him. No tears.
He has tears. Stop hiding it. Let me get that. Let me get that. See? Here's Dad.
Big boy.
Here's Dad.
And this big boy, look at that.
Oh, big boy. 2 seconds of crying.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Is this recording or just stop? It's recording. Here we go, big Papa. I got you. Okay, Daddy.
He'll be okay.
All right. Take care, guys.
All right. You okay? No? You okay? Daddy got you. All right? You're okay. There you go. The evidence that he's been hurt.
Aww.
Last time you go in here and fuss all day.
What?